Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Self-Winding Chronograph, reference number 26331OR.OO.1220OR.02. This dial is known as the Grande Tapisserie pattern in brown. The case is 41 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb and is made of 18 karat pink gold with glare-proof sapphire crystal and a screw-locked crown. This case is only 11 millimeters in thickness and retains a water resistance down to 50 meters. The dial contains 3 subdials. The seconds is at the 6 o'clock position, while the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position dials are reserved for the chronograph, as you can see, measured by the seconds hand, or what would be the seconds hand in a non-chronograph style watch. The index markers are also painted with pink gold and also luminance. So shutting off the lights, you can see that each of the hour markers all glow brilliantly in the dark, while the minute and hour hand also glow equally well. And turning the lights back on, let's talk about the bracelet. Bracelet is also made with 18 karat pink gold, brushed on the outermost edges, while the corners and all the internal parts are high polish, giving this bracelet a very glowing type of presentation. The clasp is the double deployment AP clasp, which allows for easy wear on tighter fits and thinner wrists. The movement for this watch is the caliber 2385, 26.22 millimeters, 11.5 lines, balance wheel frequency of 3 Hz or 21,600 VPH, monoblock in 18 karat gold, 37 jewels, annular balance spring with unidirectional automatic winding, all totaling to 304 parts internally, with up to 40 hours of power reserve. So keep that in mind. If you ever set this watch down, pick it up on your second day, preferably in the afternoon or before 48 hours, so it maintains time precisely. All right, and so trying on the watch. Be sure to place the AP logo second. And as this is the factory number of links, it is rather large on my wrist. And the 44 millimeter diameter also makes for a huge, bold statement on a wrist like mine, which is about 7 inches in diameter, or in circumference. So who is this watch for? This watch is for just about anybody who is starting to get into chronograph movements, as seen with the extra subdials. Also anybody looking to expand into different watchmakers, such as Audemars Piguet, as this Royal Oak chronograph, self-winding, is certainly a staple among AP collectors and enthusiasts. So what are your thoughts? Do you think the brown dial perfectly complements the 18 karat pink gold that encompasses the bezel the case, and even the bracelet? Is this watch for you? Or would you rather go even higher? Because this is just the beginning for Audemars Piguet. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our online store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.